what's the best use for LinkedIn campaigns to reach B2C, B2B? I think what he's trying to ask is what kind of things should you be doing before you make a post? And I guess for LinkedIn, we've said it's B2B. I've seen people start using it for B2C now. I guess you're in the B2B camp at the moment.
Yeah, I'm in the B2B camp. I do see a lot of B2C stuff of late. I see, obviously, it's good. You need to keep it updated, but does it work for B2C? I think B2C will, I think they'll be doing B2C on LinkedIn, the companies, but their growth's going to be through other mediums like Google AdWords and Meta, stuff like that. They're probably, what they're doing is they're just making sure that if they're using those platforms, they're keeping these platforms up to date as well. So I work with a few companies, or I help a few companies where they're B2C and they'll just keep their LinkedIn up to date. Does it work for ROAS? Not when you're looking at the costs, because people don't really tend to look too much at what B2Cs are doing. Sorry, what company pages are doing on LinkedIn. They're more interested in what people are doing. B2C, I think it's all about Google and Meta and stuff like that. You can run ads on LinkedIn for B2C, but they're double expensive.